Oh my god.
That
is so cool. Dad, stop it.
The cloud begins to magically disappear. It looks so awesome.
Oh, that's perfect.
Lit into a fruitcake.
Ew, gross.
Grab it and pull it off the tree. This one's yours.
Table. No! Don't do that to Christmas!
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to the 2019 holiday special of How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra, here today with my daughter, Ava, and we are showing you 12 magic pranks of Christmas. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Check this out. I did a Christmas magic trick here. Actually, inside the stocking is a giant.
Oh my god. That is so cool.
Merry Christmas. I have a candy cane in my stocking here. It's a little bit big though. The first thing you're going to need to pull this off is one of these. This is a shower rod cover. It's a piece of plastic. You can pick this up at like a Home Depot or a Lowe's. This is the same material that you make a growing straw out of. So you take it and you roll it up like this. And the entire thing will wrap into a compact little roll like this. Now really the biggest part of the prep for this trick is putting your candy cane stripes on. So you're gonna take some red electrical tape and you're just gonna put some strips of electrical tape all the way down the candy cane. So you're just gonna stretch out the cover and then put your tape in place just like this, and you're just going to continue this all the way down the candy cane. You can also take the top off a tube of Christmas candy and tape it on to make it look more authentic like a candy cane. Now all you have to do is conceal this inside a stocking or a Santa hat, something like that, and as you have it hidden inside the hat or the stocking, you can slowly unroll it and it looks like a giant candy cane is just appearing from something that is way too big to fit inside. Hey Ava, did you see I got all the ornaments up? Even the super high ones?
Yes.
That's good, huh? Did you know that you can actually take an ornament off the tree like this and eat it?
No! I'm supposed to do that! Dad, stop it! Stop it.
Try it. It's chocolate. These are chocolate ornaments. Ornaments made out of edible milk chocolate. It's even got a hole on top to mount it on the Christmas tree, and then you can have this mounted on the tree, just take it off and prank someone by taking a bite of the ornament. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away some chocolate ornaments to lucky comments in the comment section down below. There's a present under the tree here for you.
No way.
Uh-huh.
Why would you do that?
I'm just kidding, that one's not yours. This one's yours.
Oh, look at that. Oh, what are you doing? What? This is ridiculous. Don't. You get nothing for Christmas. Stop! What is the matter with you? I'm not a part of this at all.
So your first step is to build a fire in your fireplace. And your next step is to wrap up some gifts that are just some empty boxes. Then once you've got the fire roaring, you're just going to take one of the empty box gifts and present it to one of your friends or family members and then toss it in the fire. Okay, V, as you know, it is Christmas time. Yay! And I have an ornament from the tree. So check this out. I'm gonna take the ornament, watch nothing in my hands, come over to the Christmas tree, check this out.
Oh, that's perfect!
It grows into a giant ornament.
That's amazing. Isn't that like amazing? Oh, that's perfect. I love that.
Okay, all you need to pull this one off at home is a giant ornament. I got this at I think a craft store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and you need a normal size ornament that's the exact same color as your giant ornament. So you're gonna take your giant ornament and you're gonna hide it inside your Christmas tree before you perform the trick, and you wanna make sure you're viewing it from the proper angle. You're gonna take your normal size ornament, you're gonna hold it like this, you're going to place that ornament in the tree as you pull the big one out, just like that, and it looks like it magically grows into a giant ornament. I got you an early Christmas present.
Is mine?
Yes. Open it up.
Right now?
Yep. Go ahead and open it.
Thankful.
No!
Don't do that to Christmas! Oh my god! Why? Really?
It's snow. Cleaning it up.
Shut up!
Okay, here's how you're gonna set this up. You need some wrapping paper. You need some of these little fake snowballs. You're going to need a little disc of cardboard like this, and you're going to need a can of snakes. This is a magic spring snake, so you're just gonna take this, load the snake into the can. Now you take your little disc of cardboard and you're gonna load it right on top, just like that. Now this becomes like a launcher, and you can fill this part with the snowballs. These are just little foam balls, and you just fill this thing up like this. And now you're just gonna carefully put the lid on. Now your last step is to wrap this in wrapping paper and put a bow on top so it looks like a present. And then when they take the lid off, all the snowballs will come launching out and give them a funny holiday surprise. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, this is my present.
Okay, Ava, I have a cool trick to show you with a Christmas tree. See this little red light right here? Mm-hmm. Watch, if I just grab it, I can pull it off the tree.
Do that.
Just like that. Watch, take it over here.
I don't think this is good for your ears. How are you doing that?
Watch, I can actually just make a second one.
How do you make it multiply?
Now watch, take both the lights, and they disappear. Just like that. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's the secret to magically pulling a light off the Christmas tree. So these are not actually the lights from the Christmas tree. These are magic light up thumbs. They're just like the magic thumb tips that we have at EvanEraTV.com, but they light up. And these are available now. These are called Prisma lights, formerly known as D-lights. We have them available in adults and kids sizes at EvanEraTV.com. Order before December 20th and select standard shipping at checkout, and your order will arrive before Christmas. So you just put the thumb tips on, and all you have to do is apply pressure just like that, and it will light up. They're sold as a set. You get 2 thumbs, and you can do amazing tricks with these. You can just pluck the light off the tree, toss it hand to hand. You can pass them through your ears, take the little light, make it disappear. The possibilities are endless with these. You can do so many different tricks. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick some up in time for the holidays. They're super easy to perform with, and they're an awesome thing to just carry around with you and perform at a moment's notice.
Alright guys, it's really early in the morning. Ava's still asleep. She has school in about an hour and a half. It's been super cold here, but it hasn't snowed in like weeks. So I got a can of this fake snow. This is the snow day break. Check it out. Oh, it is freezing out.
Ava, guess what?
Ava, wake up.
Guess what? It snowed. There's no school today.
Yay!
Look.
Can I go outside?
Yeah, go get your stuff on. Yeah, get your snowsuit on. Here, get your boots. You got your hat and gloves on?
Yep.
Let's go. Snow day, time to play in the snow. I guess it all melted.
So do I actually have school?
Oh yeah, we have to leave in like 30 minutes. Did I get you?
I knew something wasn't right because there was no snow on the forecast.
It really does look like snow though, doesn't it? All right, come on, we gotta get ready for school.
No!
Okay, V, I have a cool trick to show you. So first things first, will you grab that stick on the ground right there? Yeah, just grab that. Yep. And just hold it like this.
This is
But
really
hold it
happening.
like right
Oh
here.
god.
Nope. Right there, like that.
What?
And then we grab that stick right there. Yep. And
Okay.
then hold it like that. Perfect. And now you just magically turned into
Ah!
right here.
I don't know what to say to that.
Merry Christmas.
Just
Oh, off. All you're gonna need to pull this off is a magic sponge ball. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com. You can do so many classic magic tricks with sponge balls, but in this case, we're gonna take a pair of scissors and we're just gonna cut the sponge ball right down the middle, just like this. And now it turns into a clown nose, or in this case, Rudolph's nose. So like you saw in the performance, you can magically turn someone into a reindeer. Have them hold a couple sticks from the yard and then pop the sponge ball on their nose. Hey Ava, would you like a piece of cake?
Sure.
A little slice of white cake.
Delicious.
Here, watch it. I'm gonna show you some magic with it though.
Okay.
Watch, you just take the lid, look. It turns into a fruitcake.
Ew, gross. Disgusting. Hate.
I don't even know what that is. So all you need to pull this off is a piece of fruit cake. You're going to need some regular cake. This is our smushed piece down here in the bottom of our dove pan. And this is a dove pan. This is a magician's apparatus used to make things vanish and appear. And it kind of looks like a little cake dish. So you can take a piece of holiday fruit cake. Most people really don't like these things. My dad loved them though. And you're gonna take a slice of it, put it in the top tray, load the tray into the top of the lid. And you wanna have your nice piece of cake here in the pan. And then you're just gonna put the lid down in place. Your fruitcake will drop in and it looks like it is magically transformed into a holiday fruitcake. What a lovely Christmas surprise for your friends and family.
Disgusting.
Here's a fun prank you can pull in the winter time when it's below freezing. So you're gonna take some cotton balls and some water and a friend or family member's car. This is Veronica's car. So we're gonna take these cotton balls, dip them in water, and cover the entire car with them. Let's go. Take the cotton ball, dip it in water, boom, right on the car. Now, overnight, these will freeze, and it's not gonna damage the paint or anything, but it'll make it look like their car is just covered in little snowballs. Oh my gosh, it looks so awesome. Now all you have to do is wait for nature to take its course. The cotton balls will freeze onto the car and leave them with a harmless Christmas surprise the next morning. It looks so awesome. Hi. It snowed on your car.
It did. You know how cold it is, right?
Uh-huh.
Can you like...
They're frozen to it.
Yes, it's gonna... Why would you do this? Evan! What is your problem? It's not funny. Why would you do that? It snowed on your car. You're scraping these off without messing up the paint, by the way. Stop laughing, I'm serious. Get these off before they freeze. Put the camera down. EvanEra.
Okay, check this out. This is the Magic North Pole hot chocolate. I got my cup of hot chocolate here, and I've got my little magic cloud. Watch. Just set the hot chocolate right here under the cloud, and watch what happens. The cloud begins to magically disappear. Okay, here's how you can set this up at home. It's super easy. All you need is a coffee mug, a little name card holder stand, and a little wooden stick. The ingredients to make hot chocolate or coffee, and some white cotton candy. So as you might have guessed, the white cotton candy is what's gonna act as our cloud. So we're gonna take, so I'm just gonna be as careful as we can. And you just want to break it apart, get yourself a little cloud going. And once you have the little cloud formed, you're just going to put it on the wooden stick. So once you've got the cloud in place on the little wooden stick, all you have to do is fill your mug with hot coffee or hot chocolate. This is actually completely self-working. Once you have the hot chocolate in the mug, that steam is going to begin to rise off the hot chocolate, and it will actually cause the cotton candy to dissolve, and it looks like it's just magically disappearing right in front of their eyes. Looks so amazing. And as it disappears, it'll actually melt into the hot chocolate and sweeten it. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and happy holiday. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick up all the merch in time for Christmas. If you order by December 20th and select standard shipping in the shop, your order will arrive to you before Christmas Eve. That is for US customers only. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. We've got a ton of new merch on the site. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are Magic magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to everyone who won that giveaway. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section down below. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Part 2 coming soon.